Guys, this is my video channel. Today we are going to unboxing for from the bean booth from the McDonald's for Happy Meal.
Okay.
So let's open up this one, the penguin. So there is the Pongo the penguin. Look at this. Look at this. It's so very cute. So very adorable. It's so cute and so soft and so fluffy.
What's the name?
The text says Pongo the penguin.
Okay.
And the next package is okay. Iceberg. And then he's so very cute.
Wow.
The sea lion.
What's the name?
The iceberg, the sea lion.
Iceberg, the sea lion. It's very cute.
Yeah. Okay. The two-shot says made for McDonald's
2000.
2020.
Wow, it's pretty new. The other one, the penguin. What year?
Is this the two-shot?
Yeah.
2020.
Wow, they're pretty new.
Okay.
What are you gonna do with your subscribers?
So thank you for watching. Please to subscribe. Bye.